Hey smart bunnies, you have just entered Bunny Quizzers, where every quiz is a fun surprise. Don't forget to subscribe and join the adventure.
Can you spot the odd Tralalero Tralala emoji, the first legendary brain rot ever created? Moving on, can you find the odd Bombardino Crocodilo? Look closely. Original is Bombardino, you see a symbol of chaos flying through the skies. Next round, can you guess the brain rot animal using just these 3 emojis? Yay, it's literally Lara, a cactus elephant full of kindness. Alright, now spot the Laya that's different from the rest, Lara. A wild fusion of cactus and hippo. Look even closer, can you find Lara hiding among all the desert cacti. Oh quizzers, which one of these is a real tongue sour? Aha, the real one's holding a baseball bat. Next challenge, find the imposter of mine. The tongue sour squad. Ow, that one's holding a hammer instead of a bat. Alright, squint your eyes, can you recognize the brain rot animal hidden in this optical illusion? Wow, that's chimpanzee, a cheeky little monkey popping out of a banana speed round, which Shimpanzinni Bananini looks a bit. Ooh la la, that's Papagini Bananini right there, nice catch. Alright, ready, can you pick which one here is the true Berber Patavim? Correct, it's the bushy-legged monkey
Hope
mouse.
you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.